Hey guys, welcome back to another video with the Justin Spear, and in today's video we are doing day number 15 of the LEGO Chewbacca build. And as you can see, we have already finished the platform, the feet, the legs, the chest, one arm, and the head. And all we have left is one arm, and then the rest of the features for Chewbacca. It's looking really cool so far, so remember to smash that like and subscribe button. And here's the time lapse for day 15. Hey guys, so that was the day 15 time lapse, and as you can see in today's video, we finished Chewbacca's bag and his strap for his bag. And this build is looking really cool so far, so remember to smash that like and subscribe button for some awesome videos with Justin Spear. I'll see you in another cool video with Justin Spear. See ya!